Ever found yourself daydreaming about the creamy, savory delight that is pasta Alfredo with shrimp? Well, wonder no more. Today, we're diving into the heart of Italy with a classic pasta Alfredo recipe, but with a seafood twist. Picture this, a plate of perfectly cooked pasta, drowning in a sea of creamy Alfredo sauce, topped with succulent, juicy shrimp. Sounds like a dream, doesn't it? But it's a dream that can become a reality right in your kitchen. So, how does one create this culinary masterpiece? First, gather all the necessary ingredients. You'll need about a pound of fresh shrimp, 1 pound of fettuccine pasta, 2 cups of heavy cream, 1 cup of freshly grated Parmesan cheese, 2 cloves of garlic, a dash of salt and pepper, and a sprinkle of fresh parsley for garnish. Start with the shrimp. Peel and devein them, then saute in a hot pan with a little butter and minced garlic until they're pink and cooked through. Once done, set them aside. Next, bring a large pot of salted water to a roaring boil. Add the fettuccine and cook until al dente, which is Italian for to the tooth. This means the pasta should be firm when bitten, not mushy. While the pasta is boiling, it's time to prepare the Alfredo sauce. In a saucepan, combine the heavy cream, minced garlic, and a pinch of salt and pepper. Stir continuously over medium heat until hot. Then add the grated Parmesan cheese and stir until it's melted and the sauce is smooth. Here comes the exciting part, combining everything. Drain the pasta, then return it to the pot. Pour the Alfredo sauce over the pasta and toss until every strand is coated in creamy goodness. Now, add the cooked shrimp to the pasta and gently mix them in. Voila, you've just created pasta Alfredo with shrimp. But wait, it's not ready yet. No Italian dish is complete without a little garnish. Sprinkle the pasta with freshly chopped parsley for that finishing touch. And there you have it, a delicious restaurant-quality pasta Alfredo with shrimp made right in your kitchen. This dish is a symphony of flavors and textures. The pasta is perfectly al dente, providing a delightful chewiness. The Alfredo sauce is rich, creamy, and cheesy, clinging to every strand of pasta. And the shrimp, oh the shrimp, they're succulent and juicy, adding a seafood twist to the classic pasta Alfredo. Making pasta Alfredo with shrimp might seem daunting, but it's quite simple. All it takes is a few basic ingredients and a little bit of time. So the next time you find yourself yearning for a creamy, savory delight, remember this recipe. It's a taste of Italy, right in the comfort of your own home.